Good morning, class. Today in Physics 11, we will be learning about the phenomena of rainbows. Can anyone tell me how they work?
Oh, I know! Light totally gets bored of being ordinary sunlight, so it decides to turn all sorts of pretty colors. Duh!
Good try, but not quite. Have you ever noticed how rainbows in the sky only appear when the sun comes out just after it rained? This is why.
Like you can see on this diagram, white sunlight refracts upon entering a raindrop, disperses, and then it reflects off the back of the droplet. The light refracts once again when it leaves the droplet. Dispersion happens because each color has a different wavelength. Red has a much longer wavelength than violet. Each color refracts at a different angle, making them spread out into a rainbow.
But the shape of a rainbow. Can anyone tell me what shape rainbows are?
That's so obvious. Rainbows are an arc with a cloud on one end and a pot of gold on the other. Fabulous, right?
That's a pretty drawing, but that's not what rainbows look like. Rainbows are full circles. Usually we cannot see the entire rainbow because the ground is in the way.
However, sometimes at higher elevations, like when we are in an airplane, we are able to see the full circle.
Have you ever noticed how rainbows are different sizes during different times of the day?
At sunset and at sunrise, rainbows are large because we can see more of their full circle. During the middle of the day, when the sun is higher in the sky, less of the rainbow is visible. So sick. Who even figured this stuff out anyway?
Well, in 300 BC, Aristotle had a theory to explain this phenomena.
I can imagine that.
Bonjour à tout le monde. Today I will explain the rainbow. La belle arc-en-ciel. Where to begin? No. Aristotle was not French. He was a Greek philosopher who explained why rainbows are circular. When sun rays hit a cloud, they are all deflected at a fixed angle. Since sun rays are all parallel, they all get deflected at the same angle from anywhere in the cloud. If the sun is behind you and the cloud is in front of you, there is a point where the ray will be deflected from the cloud into your eye. All the points that are deflected into your eye will appear brighter. It just so happens that all of these points are in a circular arc.
That old man really knows his stuff. But honestly, his outfit was a total fashion faux pas. It looked like he was wearing white bed sheets.
Yeah, white bed sheets. Did you know that some rainbows are not colorful at all?
These are called fog bows. In order to create a fog bow, the water droplets in the air must be smaller than 0.05 millimeters in diameter. The droplets are so small, they can only create extremely pale colors like light red on the outer edge and light blue on the inner edge. I thought all rainbows had color. Anyways, maybe I need like glasses or something, but one time I saw a rainbow on top of another rainbow. It was epic.
Yes, double rainbows do exist.
As you can see, the second rainbow is larger and much less bright than the first rainbow. The colors are also in the opposite order, starting with indigo on the outside, finishing with red on the inside. In the second rainbow, the sunlight enters the water droplet, refracts and disperses, reflects twice, and then exits the water droplet by refracting. It is the second reflection that inverts the color order.
Well, class, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on rainbows. I'm going to assign some light homework that'll be due Monday. You have a 5,000-word essay and a 50-slide PowerPoint on the topic. Don't worry, it's not that much. Have a relaxing weekend!
You've gotta be joking.